testing in lending. May nagpautang sa amin. And at that time, we desperately needed fund for our ongoing and upcoming projects. But before that, we were praying to God for a provision so that we will be able to deliver all our projects on time at hindi kami madelay. And praise God, may ginamit ang Panginoon. But when that person offered to us yung money na kailangan namin, he only had one question. When do you think you can pay me back? So we promised or we committed sa kanya na magbabayad kami within 2 months. And in fact, we gave him the exact date na babayaran namin. So may allowance na kami doon. At the same time, nag-offer kami sa kanya, okay, we will give you also an interest. But he refused. Now, lumipas ang almost 2 months na. Papalapit na yung exact date na kinumit namin sa kanya. But we realized we didn't have enough cash on hand and even pera sa bank. At yung mga project namin ay parating pa. At patuloy kami na nakaka-receive ng purchase order. Now, we have choices at that time. May option kami. We can ask him na, can we ask for 1 week or 2 weeks or let's say 1 month extension na yung utang namin sa ganitong month na lang namin babayaran. So, despite sa pressure na meron kami dahil sa may mga deadline ulit kami, we choose what is right. So, gumawa kami ng paraan kahit na alam namin na ito urgent ito importante ito. Kaso may nabitawan kami na pangako because if we knew in our heart if we will not be able to pay that person sa time na pinangako namin, we will not only break our promise but we would also break his trust sa amin. So sa kabila ng pressure, we find ways para lahat ng kailangan na pera, ang buong pera na inutang namin ay maibalik namin on time doon sa taong nagtiwala sa amin. And we praise God for His ways na binigay sa amin and also for all the provision. So, ang ginawa namin ay on time, binayaran namin yung nahiram namin na pera. It was because of the Lord na ginawa sa amin. So, we thought that person was just only, generous and was just trying to help us. But hindi namin alam that it was not merely a help sa amin. But based on our conversation as well as different events, we found out that it was also a testing sa amin. Na yung amount pala na pinahiram sa amin ay tinatry niya lang kami doon. And we believe we passed the test by paying that person sa time na kinumit namin despite ng may pressure sa amin dahil maraming needs, maraming urgent, maraming important, pero what is the right thing to do? Now, looking back, we can clearly see how God honored our decision to keep our promise. We experience promotion in different areas of our lives, even in our business. After namin na magawa or malagpasan yung testing na yon. And not only that, because we repaid yung hiniram namin despite na nag-refuse yung wag mo nang interesan, but because we know na kumita kami dahil pinuhunan namin sa mga project. So, pag-deposit namin ng pera ay dinagdagan namin ang amount sa kanya at pasasalamat namin. Now, let's get the lesson. God often tests us with what He placed in our hands before He entrusts us with greater opportunities. He watches how faithful we are with our commitment. Integrity is revealed when keeping your word becomes difficult. Your reputation is built not by promises you make, but by the promises you keep. Luke chapter 16 verse 10, whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. And whoever is dishonest with very little can also be dishonest with much.